for Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, so it looks like Greenlee finally got into the battery power, and I was talking with King James about this. It kind of looks like a Makita battery platform. It's weird because anytime you see like a battery thing, they had to have teamed up with some kind of battery people, but they say the batteries work really good on it. It kind of has a little weird angle thing on it, which it looks like it could get into some tight spaces and stuff. So I almost kind of really like this design. It looks a little flimsy. Like Daniel knows firsthand that if anybody could break knockout stuff, it's gonna be gas and oil people. So I kind of wonder about that a little bit, but it still looks like kind of a cool tool. I'd really like to try it out and see how it works. I don't think I've ever worked for a company that owned a Greenlee battery powered tool yet, but at the same time, it's like I saw it, it's a new tool. I think it said it goes all the way up to 6-inch, so I don't know if you think that that's a good idea there, Daniel. Have that thing go all the way to 6-inch, but
I don't know. That's pretty large. I don't think I've ever even worked with 6-inch pipe in my career so far. So that's
True. Yeah, it's a little off the chain, but like I say, this Greenlee product is probably one of the better ones that I've seen for the battery power. I would just have to have more research done on what kind of battery platform they're using. The Makita is hands down the best battery platform you can get. You know, I don't think there is a better battery platform than Makita. So
Doesn't DeWalt make a mechanical knockout set?